Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Nissan Pathfinder seats full guide. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to disable airbags. Gather basic tools like a 10mm socket, ratchet, extension, and trim pry tools. Remove floor mats and clear the area, then slide the seat fully forward and backward to access all mounting bolts and connectors for methodical removal. Begin by sliding the seat to reach every bolt, then use a 10mm socket and extension to remove the 4 mounting bolts carefully. Gently tilt the seat back to expose electrical connectors for heated or powered seats and depress release tabs before pulling apart. Label each connector and keep bolts organized in separate containers. If seat harnesses are routed under trim, use a trim pry tool to avoid damage while freeing the cables. With connectors detached and bolts removed, lift the seat from the rear while guiding wiring clear of trim and metal edges to prevent snags. Use a second person for bulkier seats to avoid strain and to protect upholstery and seat frames from damage. Move the seat slowly through doorways and over thresholds, and stand it upright in a safe, dry area to preserve foam and fabric while you work on the vehicle interior or reinstallation preparations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.